In today's video, I will walk you through how to add Awesome Oscillator in Robinhood Legend. In this tutorial, you will learn how to add the Awesome Oscillator indicator to your chart and access its settings for customization inside Robinhood Legend. First, go to Robinhood Legend and open your chart workspace. Once your chart is visible, move to the upper right-hand corner of the screen and look for the Indicators icon located just below the Add Widget button. Click on the Indicators icon to open the Indicators panel. Inside the Indicators panel, click Add Indicator to open the full list of available indicators. After the list appears, you can scroll through the available options manually or use the search box at the top of the panel. Click on the search box and type Awesome Oscillator to locate the indicator more quickly. Once you see the Awesome Oscillator in the list, click on it to add it to your chart. The indicator will be applied automatically and will appear directly on your active chart once selected. Next to the indicator name, click Settings to open the Customization menu. Inside the Settings menu, you will see the available options for adjusting the Awesome Oscillator indicator. Click through the settings and adjust the available controls based on your chart preferences. As you make changes, the updates will automatically reflect on your chart in real time. The Awesome Oscillator indicator will remain active on your chart as you continue working inside Robinhood Legend. You can reopen the Settings menu at any time to make additional adjustments whenever needed. That is how you add and customize the Awesome Oscillator indicator in Robinhood Legend.